Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Waze and confirming you are signed into the account that holds the saved place. Tap Search, then choose Saved or Favorites so you see all entries. This ensures you delete the correct item. Once done, scroll or use the search field to locate the exact place name or address. Make sure to note whether it's a home, work, or custom favorite, because each type uses a slightly different removal flow. You now tap the saved place to open its detail card so you can access edit controls. Next, tap the three-dot menu or the edit icon. This exposes options like rename, share, and delete. Select delete or remove, then confirm when Waze asks. This permanently removes that saved location from the account. Make sure to wait for the confirmation toast or check the saved list. If it still appears, you may need to refresh or sign out and back in. Finish by clearing recent history if you want the location gone from recents as well. Go to Settings, Privacy, then Clear History. Once done, force close Waze and restart your phone to ensure the app refreshes its cache. This often fixes lingering entries. If the saved place still appears, sign out and sign back in or uninstall and reinstall Waze. This forces a fresh sync with the server. One tip: check you're editing the same account on all devices to avoid reappearance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.